Dan Perry here with another danontech computer applications video for Northeast State Community College. When you're editing text, sometimes we don't want that extra space between hitting enter, between paragraphs. Right now, if I type hello, hit enter, goodbye, hit enter, return, each of those lines, because I've hit enter, have that extra space that's put between the paragraphs that's more than the spacing between lines. Maybe I don't want that. So let me get rid of these two lines. Now I could have gone in and edited them and fixed them, but I'm going to just retype them. But instead of hitting enter after hello, I'm going to hold the shift key down and hit enter. And then I'm going to type goodbye. And then the shift key down and hit enter, and then I'm going to type return. Now what I have done is told it go to the next line, the beginning of the next line, but treat this as still single spaced text, not as a new paragraph. And when you're doing lists of things, maybe a grocery list, you don't want to have that extra space between each line, so using the shift enter tells Word, go to the beginning of the next line, but don't treat it truly as a paragraph. Now, if you want to know where you've hit enter, if you come up to in your home tab, in your ribbon bar, in the paragraph editing area, the rightmost top line, this little backwards paragraph symbol says to show and hide some of the typographic characters so you can see what you've typed. Now, I don't really typically like to work with this turned on, but for editing purposes and finding problems in my document, it's sometimes pretty good. So I click it, and notice I will see this paragraph character where I've hit just hit the return key, hit the enter key. But I see this smaller enter or return symbol when I've hit the shift return. So I can see the difference in what I've typed. Now it also shows these dots where I've hit a blank space, and it will show a tab character if I had hit tab. Let me go up here and hit a tab character. Well, I'm sorry, I thought it showed a tab character. It didn't in this case. But it will show certain characters that you type, so it helps you to see what you've hit when you're trying to edit. Now, again, I don't like that. That's awkward for me to watch. It would not print out when I printed the document, so I just come back up here and click on that little marker, paragraph marker, and that turns it back off. So you can see here is how we can create a list where you don't have the extra space between lines. Thank you for watching this danontech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.